What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. This one is a live banger, man. So y'all finna catch this one straight live. We got a lot to cover. Yo, shout out to my Genius Coin Army. Shout out to the Shiba Inu community as well. Man, this one about to be lit. So I got a couple screens up here. I got 4 screens that I use for my day trading and things like that. So y'all looking around at these different screens. So right now my main screen with the chat is over here on this section. You know what I'm saying? So this is where I'll be looking for y'all message and everything. So pull up on me, show me y'all rocking with me, man. Hit that thumbs up, like button so everybody knows to pull up to the stream ASAP. Share this stream everywhere. Remember, I will be doing a couple giveaways this week, and I'm looking for those that are most engaged and showing their support, man. So shout out to y'all, man. We got Calmsy Vibes pulled up. Shout out to you, bro. We got Bill Myers just pulled up. Said, let's go. Shout out to you, bro. Appreciate you pulling up. We got Parker Mitchum pulling up. Shout out to him for saying, let's go. Shout out to Forex Free. Appreciate y'all pulling up, man. Y'all pulled up right up on me, man. Y'all some real ones. Share this stream. I really need y'all help to get this everywhere. Shout out to James Criddle. James Criddle be on everything. He is truly one of the OGs to the channel that really supports everything. I appreciate you, bro. Hey, Sheep Army in the building as well. Meech E, what's good, my dude? Appreciate you, man. Y'all know the goat in the building. Man, and so we got a lot to cover today. My Shiba Inu predictions have been fire. I'll be doing some Shiba Inu technical analysis in this video. We'll be doing a Genius Coin update as well, letting y'all know what's going on with that. Pretty soon, I'll have it to where I'm streaming and y'all can see my screen as well. But, I'm just trying to figure out what's the best technology for that. Let me know what y'all think the best software for that is. Is it OBS or y'all think something better? So, first off, we have our private Facebook community. If y'all in the stream and y'all don't know, or for the ones that will catch the stream later and play it back, our private investment community is called Private Stock Market Game. So I need y'all in the comment section to really hold it down right now. This is a live stream, you know what I'm saying? I need this, y'all comments will be on the playback. So I need y'all to represent, you know what I'm saying? If y'all project is something y'all want people to know more about, drop it in the comment section. If you rocking with me, drop it in the comment section so those that watch this later can see that. So I'm giving out a lot of free alerts. Free 99 alerts is what I like to call them inside this group. You know what I'm saying? We turning up every single day in this, the community. I'm super proud of y'all inside of here. Y'all are going crazy. Everyone working together, helping each other. No one bashing. I got a lot of the fudders out, or the fudders calm down. They understand that this is not the place for that. But also follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 market. I'm just giving y'all my insights to these markets and letting y'all know what I think about everything. But I told y'all yesterday that I'd be doing a Genius Coin. Shout out to Frantic Beanie. Appreciate you for pulling up. Shout out to Cecilia Arvin for pulling up. Shout out to Frank for pulling up. Shout out to Elbar for pulling up. Hey, man, appreciate y'all. But also those that commented on my video yesterday, I told you, if y'all commented on that video, y'all will be featured in this live stream. So y'all have to start doing that. Every video I drop, I'm going to go to the previous video and shout out those that left a comment in the comment section. And I might be picking one of y'all for a giveaway. So that's something that could be happening too. So stay tuned for that. So let me get this live stream out. Let's see. Matter of fact, y'all share the stream everywhere. Just share the stream. I know y'all got me. So shout out to Franny. Shout out to Robert. Shout out to Tyler. Shout out to Tetra. Shout out to Frank again for commenting on that last video. Shout out to Jacob. Shout out to Florian. Shout out to Jumpin' Johnny. Shout out to Jimmy Villain. Shout out to Rivera Group. Shout out to Genius Coin. Salute. Shout out to Soul. Shout out to Nikki D. Shout out to Miguel. Shout out to Devon D. Shout out to Alan. Shout out to Fresh Boy Stunner. Shout out to Latrice. Latrice always rocking with me. Shout out to Christ, my crypto. Shout out to Lost and Found with Jeff. Shout out to Mud Buddha 22. Shout out to James Criddle again, man. You be everywhere. Shout out to Raphael. Shout out to King Crypto. Shout out to Harlan Fluker. I gotta shout y'all out, man, because y'all the real ones that really be rocking with me, man. For real. I'm gonna have a lot of special things in the future for y'all. And I will be having a party here in Las Vegas. Y'all will be invited. You know what I'm saying? The ones that really, truly rock with me, y'all will be invited. It'll be something super exclusive, something dope. It's going to be, man, you don't want to miss it. Trust me. So, Petter, shout out to God Sent Sword. Shout out to One Cyber King. Shout out to Brad G. Shout out to Jay. Shout out to 6Av ENT. Shout out to Rick Ritchie. Shout out to 2Bar72. Shout out to Samantha. Shout out to Just Amon 04 PS4. Shout out to Tyler Stroke. Key Whiskey, I'm not sure how to say that. Shout out to Torboric. Shout out to the Gamer Nerd. Shout out to David. Shout out to Nathaniel. Shout out to God Game Carter. And shout out to Sophia Miller, man. Appreciate y'all, man. So Now, for y'all that don't know, Genius Coin is a coin that, you know, I'm definitely invested in and working with. This project has a eco-friendly platform that is on the way. For y'all that have already been in this project, I've talked with the team yesterday just to, you know, stay up to date, and the platform is on time. If you take a look at the roadmap, first off, y'all want to follow along. The website for this is genius-coin.com, and the roadmap, it says Q4 2021, the community. The platform will be launched and the community will have the power over Genius projects that will take place in the real world. Genius holders will be able to stake Genius on the platform to fund eco-friendly projects for the first time in crypto. Community will be a real family. So this is to come right now. Then we even got looking forward for Q1 2022, the real world. After a community vote, projects will start to be settled in the real world. Meeting with all the holders will be planned all over the world to make things happen. The real world will know about Genius. So if y'all are interested, you know, in basically financing eco-friendly projects and being able to make money at the same time, I highly suggest you check it out, man. Also, if you look at the chart right now, it is on sale. It is on a mega discount. So if you haven't invested in this project, or if you just want to add to it, then right now would definitely be a good time to do that while it's at the low. Now, this is not financial advice. You have to always do your own research. You know what I'm saying? Just because I'm reviewing these projects and bringing them to you do not mean just jump in with everything you have or not be smart about investing. So with that said, also I need y'all to come check them out on Twitter at genius_coin. Follow them, let them know how y'all heard about them. Also, they have the white paper release. So if you want to understand more about this project, then come check out the white paper. You know what I'm saying? So let me get back to the comments real quick, because I see we got a lot of new people that pulled up. Drop them comment section. We're gonna make history on this channel. I'm telling y'all, this is no cap. This is no cap. Y'all watching a future billionaire make it for real. So y'all rock with me. We're gonna have some future millionaires and billionaires that join me on this journey. So let's see who else just pulled up. So shout out to Bionic Buddha. Shout out to Omari Gadlin. Shout out to Lauren. Shout out to the Gift of God. Shout out to Harlan Fluker. Shout out to I'm definitely gonna go back through some of these comments too. If y'all got a project y'all want me to check it out, drop it in the comment section. I see Toy Doge pulling up in here too. Shout out to David, because David told me about this one. So shout out to Thinking Afro Man. Shout out to Joan, Joe alike. Shout out to Robin. Shout out to Christopher Rodriguez. Shout out to Omari. Michi as well. Jamila Davis. I see y'all representing for Toy Doge, man. Okay. I appreciate y'all. Shout out to Simon. I might drop one right after this, man. I told him if the community is strong, then, you know, I'll drop. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. If y'all ain't subscribed, though, you know, I got to be able to see y'all subscribing as well. So shout out to Mr. Organic USA. Shout out to, okay, I see y'all, man. So let's do this quickly. If y'all have any questions, you know, about Genius Coin that y'all want me to, you know, answer or take to the team, just drop it in the comments of this video. You know, we'll definitely get that right over to them. Okay. So let's go through some of these comments. So people just saying, what's up, family? Love your content. Nice channel you have here. Appreciate y'all, man. What's up, family? OG Toy Doge in the house. What do you think of Shiba Inu? I have a video review of Shiba Inu on my channel. Make sure you check that out. So, hey, everyone, just joining in. Shout out to y'all, man. I really appreciate y'all's support, man, for real. This is what you call community right here. So, question for the audience. I haven't logged into, okay. So y'all can answer that in the comments if y'all want to. You know, or just join the group. You know, my group is very friendly, and they all try to work together and help each other. You know, we all trying to get rich here. So, hey, bro, check out. Okay, I'm checking out. I'm looking. Bring the team here. If y'all got a project y'all want me to cover after this live stream, bring the team. Tell them to pull up. How many of y'all in this stream right now are invested into Genius Coin? Let me know. Do we have the Genius Coin army in the building? I know some of y'all are for sure. I can see some of y'all names that I know are, but, you know, just drop and let me know. Shout out to Arturo Campos. Shout out to David Lex. He said Toy Doge, Milwaukee in the building, man. Salute to the whole 41-4, man. Toy Doge has NFTs, brothers. We doing toys for tots to help less fortunate kids. Okay, I like that. Toy Doge in the building. Okay. Genius. Okay, I see the Genius Army in the building. Shout out to y'all, man. Get them likes up. Let's get the likes up. Share this stream. Let's get this out everywhere. We will be doing technical analysis. I'll be giving y'all some updates. We'll be going over some new Shiba Inu And also, I'll be doing more live streams. You know, I just want to see the support, you know, see y'all pulling up more, you know, see y'all engaged in the comments. And I'll do this a lot more often. So shout out to y'all. Okay, so Christine said I haven't gotten into Genius yet. Okay, well, I highly encourage you to check out their website. It's in the description section of this live stream. So shout out to Eddie. He said Genius Coin. Okay, shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to Simon. Appreciate you. Say, guys, let's like the video. Let's run up DeMarco. Appreciate you. Toy Doge roadmap solid. That's my favorite part of these tokens. So if I get over there on Toy Doge and that roadmap is solid, y'all know I'm gonna drop. Okay, so person I want to pick one person that pulled up to the live stream that also commented on this video. So one the name that I recognize easily is my boy Harlan, because he pull up all the time. Harlan, let me know if you're still in this stream, man. If so, you are the winner of our nano ledger of the Genius Coin giveaway. Let me know, but you got to be in the stream, bro. You got to be in the stream, or else I'm gonna have to pick the next person name who I see, because I seen somebody else that was on this video as well. The nano ledger is basically just a way to store your crypto offline, so you don't have to worry about, you know, hackers and scammers, you know, accessing your wallets. That's how I save my important crypto that I'm holding for long term. I don't leave it online. I have it stored in cold wallets that are, you know, stored away. Okay, Simon said I'm gonna be here from now. Okay, Toy Doge. Hey, Toy Doge is really pulling up, man. Shout out to David Lex, man, for real. Let's see. Hey, shout out to David Lex, man, for the super chat. Appreciate you. He said toydoge.net. Okay, bro, we definitely gonna check it out, man. Shout out to Joan J. Said, please, can we like this video? Let's like it, man. Run it up. Okay, I think Harlan not in here with us, so we might have to pick another winner. But let me get into the Shiba Inu update. Let y'all know what's going on with SHIB for the day. So y'all that have been following my Shiba Inu price prediction, my technical analysis, y'all know we've been on fire. I've been literally, out of 4 days, 3 of my predictions were 100% spot on. Even that 4th prediction was on the journey of being correct, but Bitcoin took over a 10% dip. When that happens, everything else, you know, that's you know, in the altcoin range, the meme coin, that's gonna feel it too. So, you know, like I say in that review, I said this is what, or in that breakdown, I said this is what's likely to happen. This doesn't mean this is 100% guaranteed to happen, because some new catalyst, something can always, you know, shake things up. Like we heard from the Evergrande company in China potentially about to go bankrupt. That's what shook up the entire market and caused a ripple effect all the way through to Bitcoin. So when things like that happen, you know, you just gotta understand it's a part of the market. But you know, if you're in a project long term, you have nothing to worry about. But I called this in my first video. I told y'all, I believe we will be moving back down to that 5 range. So I told y'all, I called it. I said we would have a sell-off, and then we would end up in the 7s range. And I said we would continue to move along this trend line. If y'all don't know exactly which trend line I'm talking about, then just go back and watch my last video and you'll see. But this is, I'm looking at the same chart, and the price is still underneath this trend line. Right now, we're forming a doji candle today, which shows that, you know, the price, you know, people are becoming basically on one, the people are coming together on one accord, basically saying that this is a good price right here. This is a floor. So we got a doji candle forming at the bottom of a downtrend. Remember what I told y'all that means. The doji candle is when a candle, the body of the candle is shorter than the wicks, the long part of the candles on the outside. When that happens, that signifies that a trend reversal is likely to occur. Doesn't mean it is going to happen, but that means it's likely to occur. So therefore, I expect with us having, you know, a couple days down with Shiba Inu, we could see a little push above where we are today, unless we get some type of major news that pushes us back down even further. But I do not believe we will break outside of that trend line at 770 range. I believe no matter what happens tomorrow, we'll still remain underneath that range. So, 770. So I think we'll continue to move down. That's if we get a green day tomorrow, 770. But if we continue to move along where we are right now, I can see us moving to maybe that we might hold around the 6.5 range tomorrow. If the market is calm, if things aren't crazy, we might hold around that 6.5 range. But if we have a green day and it pushes up, I can see us going to that 770 range. Now, I do believe we will follow along this trend line, like I told y'all, and eventually see the low sixes or the high fives again. Where I plan on pulling the trigger again is at the high fives, or once we touch back in that 5 range. That's where I'm assuming. I want to grab some more. So shout out to everybody that's pulling up. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, like button. Also share this stream, share this information, man. So the RSI is kind of cool. We got it right in the middle. Remember, I told y'all a 70 on the RSI chart. It considers that the asset is being overbought. When the RSI is at a 35 or below, it's saying that the asset is being oversold. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking to enter and add to our position on the asset being oversold, because if you buy it while it's oversold, that means you're getting the best price that you can possibly get, unless something crazy happens. There's even a bigger sell-off, but based on the chart, that's when you want to buy in. That's when you can, if you notice, and you got your RSI charts up right now, you can see once we get around that 35-30 range, we always see some buying pressure step back in, because that's an indicator. A lot of people just see these, see the price or see for the day and they just buy. But the professional investors, or the people that understand technical analysis, they're looking for the best entry points. And that's what I want to get y'all to be able to understand over time. So expect that. I told y'all also we got Bitcoin down. Well, the overall market is down 6%. We got Bitcoin down right now 5% for the day, 13% for the week. We got Ethereum down 6% for the day, 20% for the week. Major hits, y'all. Super discounts in the market today. You can come snatch stuff up for cheap right now. Cardano is down almost 4%, 17% for the week. Major discount, y'all. I told y'all, if it's 15% off or more, that's a major discount. Imagine if you walked into, if you were going to go buy whatever it is, something, of substantial value, and they just told you, you got a 15 to 20% discount on it. You would take that immediately. You know what I'm saying? So this not financial advice, but I'm just letting you know, like a XRP. Come on now. Y'all got to know what's up with XRP. Financial advice, but XRP is one of my long-term holds. I won't even sell XRP. I can't even imagine myself selling XRP. You know what I'm saying? That's what XRP is with me. So I should start. Let me know if y'all want me to cover some of these, top 10 tokens as well, instead of just the meme coins. For y'all that been rocking with me, y'all know we've been covering stocks for over a year over here on this platform, in my community. So then we, touching on the crypto markets, and we'll be also going into the NFTs. If you haven't seen my intro to NFT video, make sure you check that out. I did a complete one-on-one for beginners, walking you through what NFTs are, and, just basically how to understand the NFT and where that market is going, because it's about to be crazy. So shout out to everybody. I see y'all with dropping all those genius coin armies in the comment section. Appreciate y'all, man. We are genius. I see you, Cecilia. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to everybody. Let's see. We got Australia in the building. Everybody drop where y'all from. Where, what city, state, country, whatever. Okay, I see y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. So SFG Sports said, is genius on exchanges at end of month? I'm not sure exactly at the end of the month, but that is still in the plans of genius. So definitely I can touch bases with the team and check on that, but I don't believe at the end of this month, if I'm not mistaken. Don't get me wrong. So if you heard that, then I might have just missed it if that just was released right now. But just from what I've heard from the team, I'm not sure exactly on that. That's accurate. But I do know the platform is still on time. Now remember, Genius Coin has, 2 platforms: the social platform where people can vote, can communicate with each other, can share their stories, vote on projects, and vote on, just the direction of the token itself. And it will have the staking platform where you can stake your tokens to also finance eco-friendly projects. So this is going to be, you know, a big thing, y'all. This is something you definitely want to pay attention to. So shout out to all y'all. Appreciate y'all. We got Lake Show in the building. Soul Rack said, man, respect, man. Great channel. Appreciate y'all. Louisville in the building. Washington State, NYC, Florida, Sacramento. Definitely, bro. I got XRP locking my ledger. Shout out to Forex Free. He know what's up with XRP, man. I highly, you know, I'm gonna do a video on XRP and let y'all know, because XRP is one of the ones I just thought everybody should know. XRP is a long-term hold. If you don't know about that, then I don't know, man. But shout out to Michigan. We got shout out to, he said the end of third quarter. Okay, then definitely, I believe things are on time for that, then, bro. So shout out to Corey Morley. 1-4, man. Salute, man, to the whole city. Said Naptown. Okay. Live Breeze said making love to the money. Gucci man, hey, feel you, man. He said Jacob Ott said we are genius. Stock Goat from the boot. Okay, shout out to the whole Louisiana. XRP, absolutely. Christopher Rodriguez. Okay, I see the toy Doge. The exchange is gonna take genius to the moon, I think. Hey, that is a strong catalyst. Very strong catalyst. Once that happens, you know, the FOMO kicks in and the price begins to move. And then here comes, you know, everybody else once they find out about it. Appreciate you, Christopher Rodriguez at Dope Channel. Hey, shout out to Forex Free. He out there from TT, Trinidad and Tobago. Harlan Fluker said Chicago. Harlan, where you was at, man? You the winner of our Nano Ledger, man. I tried to let you know. I said where you was at, you know, to pull up in the comments up here, man. But congratulations, you are the winner of our cold wallet. So tap in with me after this video, bro. I know you got me on the social medias. Just send me a message, you know, send me a message on Twitter, bro. San Antonio in the building. Shout out to Christopher Rodriguez. Said crypto. I don't know what that is. Shout out to Darren. Said ETH. So let me know, what are term holds? What projects will people have to pry out of your hands in order for you to sell? Let me know, which projects do you feel like that about? So also, let's get into some Shiba Inu news while y'all drop that in the comment section. So major update. I don't know if y'all seen this, but ShibaSwap has added an NFT section to the website. This is crazy, y'all. NFTs are going to be very big. Shiba Inu will have probably the most valuable NFTs. I will say some of the most valuable NFTs in the game because of the community behind this. I'm calling it now. Get tapped in with the Shiba Inu NFTs. I will be doing an entire video series on this. So if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you do not miss this. I'm trying to help you all get money. You know what I'm saying? This is what we're doing over here. You know, so if you want to join that, don't miss out, man. Also, an article from, you know, I just like to give you all what the, you know, market sentiment and let y'all see what the overall market is saying, how they're feeling. But we got an article from thesun.com saying Bitcoin is down, cryptocurrency latest news. Bitcoin price down today on Coinbase as Suex exchange sanctioned for assisting in heist. So obviously there was some type of heist going on, so we'll get into that. So shout out to David Lex. He said Silverback Gorilla on Telegram. My G Toy Doge Army LFG launched today. He ain't playing, man. Appreciate you for that super chat, bro. That's what's up, man. I'm gonna definitely have to check y'all out. I see, this is what I mean by when I say if there has to be a community behind these projects. If the community is not behind these projects, it's toast. I'm telling you, it will not stand a chance. But the way I'm seeing right now with the Toy Doge community pulling up, showing out, it might be something to check out. You know what I'm saying? David usually is on point with his calls like this, you know what I'm saying? And the community pulled up, so I gotta check it out, man. But Bitcoin continues to be down today on Coinbase as Suex exchange is sanctioned for assisting in heists. The U.S. Treasury announced that it would sanction the cryptocurrency exchange for its alleged role in laundering ransoms for cyber attacks, according to CNBC. Yesterday, Bitcoin dropped below $44,000 today as the entire market cap drops more than 8% in one day. The crypto dropped 10% to under $43,000 on Monday. It was recently up to $48,638.99 after it rose 8.66% over the past week. The tumble comes as Shiba Inu coin has spiked up in value after being added to Coinbase as its rival Dogecoin dropped. So another thing I wanted to show y'all as well on coin on coin market cap, we're on 1,115,589 watch list. Let me check out Coinbase to give you all an exact up-to-date number, because we are buzzing right now, y'all. This is a very good sign. A very good sign. When we get Coinbase doing a lot of free promotion for us, when we get a catalyst like this, I'm gonna tell y'all the exact play that's about to happen. Some of y'all can hear this play and y'all will be good the entire time. Because now remember, it's not financial advice, but this is what I assume that will happen from my experience in the market. Coinbase doing this mass adoption like this, the institutions are awake. The institutions are not dumb. They know what's about to happen now. So now what's going to happen is they're going to run the price down. They're going to cause a lot of FUD, push the price down, shake everybody out of their positions. They're going to come try to scoop it up for the low, and then we're going to see Shiba Inu on the move. That's my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Opinion. You know, this is not something I want y'all to be like, you know, I'm going to put the house on it, but hey, I got a big bag of Shiba Inu that I'm holding for 5 years plus because I'm that confident in it. Also, if y'all haven't seen, I know who the real 100% creator of Shiba Inu is. The real Ryoshi. This is not a game. I don't do no capping. I'm not doing this. There's no publicity stunt. No, none of this. But you know, I will be bringing that to the channel. But I you know, we definitely have to build up a lot more, you know, user base, a lot more subscribers, a lot more people to be engaged with the community before, you know, this is released. I'm telling y'all, this is going to be major news. So if y'all want to know, you know what I'm saying, let me know. But I see y'all jumping in the comments. Said Soul Rock said, my man's mad love to answer your question though. Algo, Cardano on the meme side, Toy Doge, Greed coming soon, not meme coin real. Hey, is that Greed token? Because I heard about that Greed one. But when I looked at it, I did a quick look, and I didn't see too much. You know, I did see that Cool and Dre were behind it. Is that true? Yeah, Shiba definitely has to do a massive burn. If y'all go back in my old videos, I've been giving y'all a Fortune 500 marketing breakdown on what's about to happen with Shiba Inu. I told y'all we need a massive burn. So let's see. I don't know why they got my Coinbase in Spanish. Okay, yeah, they got it in Spanish for some reason. Okay, they just changed it back over. Yeah, man. Salute to everybody that's holding Shiba Inu, man. Just stay down for the come up, man. Y'all picked a very good project, I believe. Even with knowing the creator, I believe he's the perfect person for the job. I'm even more confident in Shiba Inu knowing who the creator is, and that's no cap. Now, it would be a bad thing, you know, knowing, and then my confidence, you know, left. It would be like, oh, you know what I'm saying? But it's extremely bullish, in my opinion. This man is the real deal. He's not a game. And no, it's not Elon. No, it's not Jeff Bezos. None of that. No, it's not Crypto Messiah. Okay, so let me get to another article real quick. So also, here's another article about sheep. So Shiba Inu bulls can't hold sheep from dropping to the 6th level. So that's what I called this already. I told y'all this in my prediction videos. Y'all can go back. Y'all don't even got to pay for forexstreet.com in order to know this. All y'all got to do is subscribe to the channel, watch my videos, and you can know this type of information, because technical analysis teaches you how to understand the chart. If you don't know how to read the chart, with crypto, it's a little different. You can, you know, just hold long term and be a little different. But if you're a day trader like I am, you have to know how to read the charts. You will get wrecked if you don't. So Shiba Inu price has fallen over 28% over the past 4 trading sessions. Bears remain in control as bulls fail to complete a breakout above the 8 levels. Bulls must hold the 7 levels to prevent a drop towards the 6. Shiba Inu price continues to follow the path of the aggregate crypto market. However, significant selling pressure over the past 4 days has weakened bulls' resolve and put significant pressure on any longs who enter the next market. About 0.00008 Shiba Inu price to test the 6 levels, bulls anxious as price moves lower. Shiba Inu price action has been a source of frustration for both investors and speculators alike. There exists a significant and persistent trading range that neither bulls nor bears have been able to break. There was some early evidence that a breakout may occur and break months of stagnation over the past weekend, but that did not occur. So a lot of people assume because of the Coinbase listing, they loaded up. They, once they heard it was on there. Remember, when it comes to investing in stocks and crypto, you want to buy the rumor, sell the news. Now, SHIB is one that, I'm holding on to. If you want to, level out your position, you might buy low, sell high to, bring down your average cost, or DCA, dollars cost average, into a position to bring your average cost down. But this is one I'm not selling, for 5+ years. So a lot of people expected, because it hit Coinbase, for the price to just blow out the water. Now, yes, that is a very big catalyst, but let me put y'all on game, man. This is why our private investment game, because I'm giving y'all the game, the understanding to what's happening. But when the time that you hear the catalyst, by the time everybody hears about it and everybody start buying in and jumping in, it's too late. It's already too late. That's why you want to, this is a saying in investing: buy the rumor, sell the news. I want y'all to write that down if y'all never heard that before. It's called buy the rumor, sell the news. So when you first hear of something about to happen, if it's coming from an official source, if it's coming from somebody that, you can put some trust into something, you might want to, buy the rumor. You might want to, because that's the beginning. That's before all the hype and the demand is pushed up. And once it's pushed up already, then you're buying at a higher price. That's how you make money, by buying it while it's cheap. That's why I like to buy in the red. I don't like to buy on green days. If it's something that's super, super early and it's super bullish, and maybe we had a little pullback and I'm catching it right off that green where I believe it'll continue to move, then I get in. But for something like SHIB, I'm not buying this on a day where it's up, 7%, 8%. No, I'm not doing that. You want to get it for a discount, so once it flips and goes back up, you make even more money. That's the way you keep making money along the way, by buying those dips. And the way you buy the best dips is by learning technical analysis and learning how to read the charts. That's how you get the best dip. That's how I can buy all the way at the bottom, because I'm looking at all my indicators. I'm not just going off of one indicator. I'm stacking my indicators on top of each other. So I'm using my Bollinger Bands. I'm using my RSI. I'm using my moving average convergence divergence. I'm using my SAR line. I'm using volume. I'm using all, there's probably over 500 different indicators you can use. So no one indicator is just better than the next indicator. But you want to develop a strategy or a methodology of how you compile those indicators together to give you your signal that you're looking for. I wait for the chart to give me a good signal to get in. I don't just jump in anytime. So appreciate everybody that's rocking with me so far. Instead, Shiba Inu price fell by a staggering 28% to return to present 7 levels trading range, the critical level that will dictate a breakdown towards the 6s. If the Chikou span moving below the candlesticks and the bottom of the cloud, if that occurs, that's a type of candlestick pattern. Then the current sentiment of the Ichimoku chart will be overwhelmingly bearish. I'm telling y'all, it's about to get bearish. This is just my opinion. Now, this is not a sign to scare anybody. This is not FUD. I'm just trying to tell y'all, buckle y'all seatbelts. Be patient. Don't be afraid. This is how they do. Think about it. Some of y'all would have never, ever, ever became millionaires if y'all were the early investors in Dogecoin. I just want to let y'all know that. All y'all that be, when Lambo, when is this gonna happen? How come this ain't happened? Why is it down today? Y'all would have been toast. Y'all would have been toast, because Dogecoin took years before it took off and made all those millionaires. You have to be ready to stay down for the come up. If you don't believe in the project, just don't invest. Or what you can do is, if you're unsure, just put in a simple amount that you're not afraid to lose. Because a little can go a long way in the right project. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to understand. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, like button, man. I'm dropping straight gems for y'all. Gotta get them likes up, man. So However, given the constricted trading range, Shiba Inu bulls have an equal chance to pull the rug out from under the bears. For example, if bulls were to push Shiba Inu price to a close at 8, the Chicago span would be above the candlesticks and the cloud. This would likely create a condition that begins the process of breaking out higher from the consolidation zone. So that's something to to look out for. We get some type of super news, but I believe even if that does happen, which it could happen, but that'll just be dumb money entry. That'll be people who are buying the hype, people that are buying at the new top right there, and that won't be willing to hold this for long term. Once they see once they see the day after that a negative 15% drop, they'll be panicking and ready to sell their positions. So we'll see more panic calls because of that. And I believe because of that, we'll continue to move down to that 5 range. So let's see. Somebody, let's see what everybody's saying. Somebody said buy in when there's extreme fear. Definitely, for sure. Somebody said been in since April, moon bag for years. Doge took 6+ years to moon. Somebody said they'll get Jake Paul to promote. Somebody said Chuck Norris, Chuck Taylor. Philip, I'm not sure about Doge, Bitcoin, and Team Tree. I actually got to go check on those projects and see how they're actually doing. I want great health and more crypto for Christmas. That's what's up, man. Health is wealth. Salute to everybody for pulling up, man. We really dropping gems in here. Live, breathe, eat. Fitness said DeMarco coin market cap at about 6 trillion. That sound, what's the number? 6 billion. That sound about right, bro. Sound about right. Eddie Penn said, I wish I knew about Doge last year. Fat Soul Falcon said, church. Salute, man. Adam Rose said, hit the light. Gosco Love said, Goku Inu, big gym. Had a team pull up on me, man. You saying it's a big gym, but I only see you. Where the team at? If it's really a big gym, the community should be behind it. Gravity Token, Fear Index 21. Yeah, man, we honestly, I can't wait. I love when this happens. When this happens, look, y'all, I was a part of the early, not the early Dogecoin, but I was in Dogecoin last year before it blew up. I missed out on basically just shy of $200,000 because I sold 2 months early for a $2,000 profit, which I was planning on buying the dip, but I wasn't paying attention. I was working on getting the channel together and everything, putting all the deuces right when I was, working on the channel. Missed it for a couple days. Prices was back above my average, and I just watched it go to the moon. So I'm trying to tell y'all, if y'all don't want, I'm in these projects early, but now it's a little different because we covering it differently. We on top of everything here. I've been knowing about Bitcoin since 2010. And I watched it and constantly said it's too late. I missed it. Watched it go from 11 cents to $100 to $300 to $500 to 1,000 to 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, and continue to say I missed it. Not this time. If y'all subscribe to the channel, we are not missing it this time. We are the next crypto millionaires. Stay down for the come up. I don't care if it takes 5 years. It don't matter. You know what I'm saying? Just invest what you're not willing, only invest the amount that you're willing to risk losing. So that way, when it's in there for 5 years, you can stay down. You're not panicking. You're not looking at it saying, oh my God, I got this $10,000 in there that I had in there for 2 years and it still ain't doing nothing. I need to take it out. It don't matter. And honestly, in 2 years, by then we'll be, I believe. But let's see what else we got. Michi said, I missed it in 2017 and early 2021, and I'm missing out again. DC8 every week. That's a salute to you, man. That's the strategy right there. Fed Army is very early, bro. People, yes, we're extremely Army. Check charts for Red Fig and Red Shiba. Drew Catchings, thank you for the Boss Token video review. Salute to y'all, man. Shout out to Drew Catchings. Shout out to the whole Boss Token Army. I ain't gonna lie, Boss Token definitely does have a community. That's what I like to see. When I said I might be doing one on them, guess what? The community pulled up. They pulled up and they showed out. That's why I had to. Boss token is, that's what I'm talking about. It's community driven. If y'all have a crypto project, y'all are part of one, and the community is not there, it's toast. I'm telling you. So the Mook man said, who knows, maybe Shiba may boost within the next couple months. Doge was expected to reach 70 cents in the next 80 years. Brother Soul said, hey Marco, have you heard of Boost Coin, the future in DeFi? Actually, I've heard of it, but I haven't heard too much about it. I've seen it around though. Eddie Penn said, Afrium Token CEO graduated from the London School of Economics, over 40 countries partnered in Africa utility. Okay, where the community at, Eddie Penn? Go to the Telegram, tell the community to pull up. We gonna see right now, all y'all talking about these tokens and hey, this is the next big one. Tell the community to pull up right now then. We gonna see. So salute to y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. So December said, or Johnny said, December, what do you think she was going to be in 5 years? I think Shiba Inu in the next 5 years is going to be the token that creates the most millionaires. That's what I think. Now I'll do a technical analysis video breakdown. We'll go over the full chart on a bigger scale, but that calls for a second video. I don't like to just throw wild predictions out there. I like my predictions to be based off of actual technical analysis and fundamentals. So Frank said DCA is absolutely the way. I get on it when I can. Buy the dip. Shout out to JJ Sage. He said, nah, SafeMoon. Hey, I'm in the SafeMoon army as well. I got SafeMoon as well. I'm holding SafeMoon for 5+ years. I might get them 3. I don't know. But SafeMoon, though, I'm rocking with them, though. I got them for at least 3 years for sure. I haven't sold any of my SafeMoon. Okay, we got another article here on Shib. Salute to everybody for pulling up to the stream, man. Let me know, do y'all want me to do these live streams more often? So this article is from Deseret.com. So why Shib coin big spike is a sign that the coin may not grow again. So this might be a FUD article, y'all. I'm just reading, letting y'all know what articles are out there so y'all can learn how to, get a full picture of everything that's going on. Remember, a lot of these websites and things like that, they can be FUD causers. They can be, working with the institutions to cause FUD to push the coin down even further so that y'all get tricked out y'all spot, and they come scoop y'all spot up for the low. They won't get me. Do not spot. Now, if you want to get tricked out your spot, that's on you, man. You can do your own thing. But I'm just telling you, they won't get a coin off me. Not a coin, not one. And I hope some of y'all are smart enough to understand how to connect the dots. Now, if you have more money than you can risk losing in there, then everything I'm saying is out the window because you messed up already. You already messed up by investing more than you're willing to lose. If you put in an amount that you're willing to lose, you can say set it and forget it and just let it go. So, hey, I need y'all to share this stream, man. Let's get this up, man. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel, man. I see y'all messages. I will hit y'all after the stream. I'm not going to respond to messages during the stream unless you in the chat. So salute to y'all. We almost got 100 viewers on the stream, man. Let's go. Push it out. So shout out to Drew. He said boss token is going to be SafeMoon, but done right. Harlan Fluker said yes, more live, fam. Everybody saying yes on the live streams. Okay, I appreciate y'all. Y'all want to see them live streams? Okay, cool. Salute to y'all. Hey, y'all, we just broke past 11,000 subscribers, man. Salute to the entire gang, man. I appreciate y'all, man, for real. My goal, my mission of this channel, of course, is, to cover the projects, of course, to do, cover some of these reviews. Y'all know I'm a financial marketer as well. I have a marketing agency, so I'm looking at some of these projects from a professional level as well. But one of my main goals for this channel is to help people become millionaires because I'm staying down for the come up. If y'all rock with me, it's gonna be rough, but if you just team up with me, stay down, rock with me, we'll show up to that finish line together, man. That's what I believe. So let me see. Shout out to brother. So he said, okay, so this is weird to me. I searched up what the ETH symbol is, right, and it's the same logo as Dogecoin. I'm not sure what you mean on that one. I'll try to check that out. So what do you think is going to happen with Bonfire? I got to check out. I haven't tapped into the Bonfire community in a while. The community, if the community is still strong, then hold strong. That's what I'll say. If the community ain't there, then hey, it's toast. That's all I can say. So Johnny Cave said, holding Shiba Inu, it will go to the moon. I will be taking my rent money and buying all in. Oh man, you almost made me use some language I don't want to use on here, man. That's not smart, bro. That is not smart. to take your money and go all in. Now, remember, you can do whatever you want. If you want to risk the whole rent money, all that, but do not come crying back to the channel saying, hey, man, I thought, blah, blah, blah. I ain't trying to hear it. I already told y'all, if y'all risk more than y'all willing to lose, you're going to cause panic in yourself. You will not be able to hold through the dips. When you see a 30, 40% dip, your heart going to drop. You're going to be looking like, I could have did this with that money. I could have did that with that money. I could have did anything. I could have paid my rent with it. And you talking about you're going to take the rent money and put it on it, man. I can't co-sign that. I'm sorry. Hey, shout out to everybody, man. I appreciate y'all for congratulating me on 11,000 subscribers, man. We about to go to 20K subscribers real soon, man. I'm telling y'all, we turned. Okay, I see you. I see you. I appreciate y'all, man. JJ Sage said, I got off at the perfect time to catch your live for once. Appreciate you for pulling up, man. Shout out to Cowbell. He said, Red Fig. Okay. Johnny Cage said, I believe in the dev team. This token, Shiba, will go to the moon. I agree. I believe in the dev team as well. Shout out to Satoshi Kasuma, man. But, hey, shout out to Ryoshi, too. Shout out to the entire SHIB army, man. We got one right here. You have to do your own research. High risk, high reward. I agree, bro. But don't put yourself in a bad position. If you are not prepared to hold this for the long term, then, you know what I'm saying, you might be messing up. So this article from Deseret says, Shiba Inu, well, let me read the title again. Why SHIB's coin big spike is a sign that the coin may not grow again. So what happened to SHIB coin? Last week, Coinbase added the cryptocurrency token to its list, allowing users to trade Shiba Inu coin on Coinbase.com and the company's mobile app. The SHIB coin jumped by 35% in value right after. And I call that to the T. I call that to the exact T. Go check my video. Please go check the last 4 or 5 SHIB videos. Go check the first one in that series, and you'll see. So this technical analysis I'm doing is fire, y'all. If you really want to know what's going on with SHIB by the chart, not just, by blah, 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 you might want to tap in, man. I'm trying to tell you why Shiba Inu coin might not grow again. Shiba Inu coin had a spike in value because of the Coinbase launch, but the spike didn't last long enough to show there was sustained growth. According to AMBC Crypto, a cryptocurrency news site, when SHIB coin was listed on Coinbase Pro, it jumped 28.87% growth in just one day. Still, Shiba Inu coin could not surpass the 0.0001010 value it has been under since May, when hype for the coin was high. So that's what happens. That's why I tell y'all to buy the rumor, sell the news, because that's what everybody will do. When hype goes high, even when you're thinking like, oh, it's about to go up, I'm finally about to, make money. What's going to happen is the people who are paper hands, they're going to sell off and cause the price to go back down. But eventually, over a long period of time, it will begin to make higher and higher lows on the chart, and then we'll be moving into higher channels, which eventually we'll break out of, and that's when we can see something magnificent happen. Now that takes time, y'all. It could take months, it could take years, but just stay down for it, y'all. I truly believe it'll happen. So let's see. At that point, SHIB coin investors sold all of their coins, which hurt the value too. This really sounds like a FUD article, y'all. Y'all have to pay attention to the verbiage used. It says, at that point, SHIB coin investors sold all their coins, which hurt the value too. Really, did all SHIB investors sell their coins? I'm pretty sure everybody in this live stream right now, nobody sold their coins. So y'all got to be careful, you know what I'm saying? Pay attention to the words that they use. So this kind of behavior is the exact reason why SHIB is an untrustworthy asset. Get out of here. I ain't even reading the rest of this. I'm going to read the rest of it just to be transparent and fair and show y'all both sides. But I'm going to tell y'all straight out the gate, this is a FUD article. So be careful for articles like this. This helps trick beginners out of y'all position. I don't want that to happen to y'all. So look how biased it is. It says this kind of behavior is the exact reason why SHIB is an untrustworthy asset, because it is literally treated like a pump and dump asset. The instances observed yesterday are similar to what we say at the beginning of the July rally. So that was according to AMB Crypto. That AMB Crypto could be, a FUD. So it might not necessarily be DecemberDeMarco, because that was an actual quote from this guy over here, from some guy at AMB Crypto. So it's a news site. So that's another news site, but they might be a FUD causing site. So be careful for that. So that's what I wanted y'all to, you know, just notice with the market. Let's check out Reddit, see what we got going on, see how the community's looking at. Okay, so you know the community's here, man. The SHIB army is too big. The SHIB army is too strong. We've reached 900,000. Let me see, 900,000 followers on Twitter, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. 907,600 followers on Twitter. Almost 1 million followers. Shiba Inu is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market. Y'all would be crazy to doubt this coin. It might take time, y'all. If y'all are a new investor, just hear me out. Y'all haven't been to understand that this takes a long time. They have to trick all y'all out. They're not going to let y'all just jump in and get rich. It don't work like that. Some people got lucky. Very few people got lucky if you bought it right at the right time. But those pumps go so quick and come back down that if you didn't have perfect timing, you'll miss it. So instead of trying to have perfect timing, we can just be already in. Warren Buffett says time in the market beats timing the market. So that's what I want y'all to keep in mind, man. I really want y'all to make money. Okay, so let's see what we got. Exactly. So Brother Soul says, I mean, out of the 3.3 million followers Coinbase has, Coinbase only follows SHIB. Does that not tell anyone anything? Marco is the truth. And I'm trying to tell y'all, man, connect the dots, man, for real. Coinbase doing all this free marketing for Shiba Inu. Come on, stop playing, y'all. I wish y'all was like my family so I could I could really not even say this is not financial advice, but this is not financial advice. But, you know what I'm saying? Just, man, put it, even if it's $1, put $1 in, something that you can risk for a long time that you're not tripping off of. Please, man, please. This is not financial advice, but understand, you know what I'm saying? You have a lot of opportunity here. So, JJ said, I remember you saying time in the market is more valuable than something. Change my perspective as a 4th-month-old investor. Hey, I appreciate that. Yeah, time in the market beats timing the market. So that just basically means the time you spend in the market. So being in a coin invested for over, you know, a year or 2 years beats trying to wait right into that perfect spike before it breaks out and it goes to the moon. Why would you try to do that? Just be in the market longer, be patient, a risk amount that you don't mind losing that you could let sit, and you'll be fine. That's all you got to do, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. A lot of y'all were not around during those times. So I got to watch and constantly sit on the sidelines, even as a Fortune 500 marketer, knowing how to, I'm looking at it, I'm like, this can't continue to go like this. Nobody expected Dogecoin to break over a penny. I mean, except for the true holders, those people did, but the market would have never said Dogecoin would have been over a penny. I don't care what the statistics, you know, I like to look at fundamentals and all the, you know, the burn that would have to go into that. But that is not the end all be all determination of whether SHIB can reach a penny or not. Ask anybody 5 years ago if they look. This is one thing I want y'all to do. I want y'all to think about this. If you would have asked anybody 5 years ago if they thought Dogecoin would reach 50 cents, they would have slapped you. They would have literally slapped you. If you told them Dogecoin would be 50 cents, you know, in 5 years, you would have probably got slapped by somebody who thought, like, they would have probably thought you were crazy. You know, so think about with SHIB, you know, think about where we could be, where if you said it right now, somebody would want to slap you. That's what I think, you know, we have the potential of seeing. Trust me. So, hey, appreciate y'all, man. I'm just trying to tell y'all the truth, just from a different perspective, man, you know. SHIB is coming to Robinhood, correct. We definitely have that catalyst coming as well. Definitely. Hey, Killer said, I'm a music artist / producer. Which direction would you go to do an NFT album release similar to Tory Lanez? That's a whole nother video for itself, bro. I definitely check out my NFT 101 video. I will be releasing some more NFTs videos. I also will be releasing an NFT video series for music creators as well. is content creators. So stay tuned for that. Also, we have our own exclusive NFTs coming to the channel. So make sure you email me if you want early exclusive access to that, before I, plaster it everywhere. So my email is in the description of this video. Only those that really want it gonna reach out. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all know how the NFT process is, you'll have to mint one. Y'all know how it go. But we have a strong community over here. This is one thing that we do have. So Brother Soul said, not gonna lie, I would be spending this money on weed. Glad I at least invest into something that may change my life in many good ways. I agree with you, bro. Instead of buying that, hey, I agree, bro. Think about how much money you done spent on Beezy's over the time, how much money Swisher done made off you, how much money White Owl or Backwood or whoever. Think how much money they done made off you, man. If that money would have been in SHIB 1 year, not even a year ago. You would have put that money in SHIB 8-9 months ago, man, you'd have been rich. So shout out to everybody, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Exactly. Imagine how much money wasted in our lives on drinks, on whatever your hobby is, whatever you like to do. We don't waste a lot of money, William Fenner said, hey, DeMarco, love listening to you chat, mate. And the Shiba believer, I am still curious to who Ryoshi is, my man. Down under Aussie. Salute to the whole Aussie gang, man. Hey, don't trip, man. I'm here. I just need the community to let me know, y'all want to know. You know how much resources and time went into this? Y'all a lot. Trust me, it'll be coming though. Y'all know I ain't capping. I am not capping. I do not come on this channel and just get to saying anything. Come on now. When did I ever start doing that? Never. So or cigarette. Okay, yeah, for sure. So definitely. So yeah, we're going. We got a lot of time, to let sheep do what it do. Just be patient, y'all. Just be patient. Understand that it's one rocket going to the moon. Everybody can't fit on that rocket. This is what the institutions are going to do. They're going to cause FUD. They're going to make the chart look terrible. They're going to make y'all get scared as ever. They're going to make y'all feel that y'all about to lose y'all entire investments. Until you start, this one you can get happy. I get happy when I see this. When I see everybody crying, everybody like, oh man, I start getting happy on the inside because I already know y'all about to get out. Not just saying y'all, but whoever's paper hand's about to get out. And that gives us more, that makes the rocket ship lighter for us to take off. But we got a lot. There's so many people on the Shiba Inu bandwagon right now that are not real holders, that are not diamond-handed holders, that we got to get them off before we go anywhere. I'm going to just be honest with you. Y'all think we're going to be seeing new all-time highs anytime soon with all this hype going on? I'm going to be the first one to tell you, no. I'm sorry. It ain't going to happen like that. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying it's a guarantee. It's not about to happen right now. It could happen tomorrow. I don't know. I'll be wrong. But I'm saying from my experience in the market for these last few years, looking at these different projects, all these different tokens, this is not going to take off this week, next month. We got to get these people out of here. We got to let the paper hands get, shake loose. We got to give up some seats to the institutions because the institutions are the ones that are going to buy the most Shiba Inu. They're going to be buying, billions worth, or hundreds of millions of dollars worth at least, so we have to give them some seats. That's just how the game goes, y'all. I'm sorry. That's just the name of the game, man. The institution, they're smart money. That's considered smart money. Dumb money is the people that come jump in at the top. They are not willing to hold their positions, so they paper hands out their positions. That money comes off the table, and the smart money holds on to it. That's why Warren Buffett said the stock market is a device to transfer money from the hands of the patient to the impatient. We got 100 viewers in the stream, man. Salute to y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. So remember that. Do not be one of those people that are impatient handing your money over to patient people, because it's never considered a loss until you actually sell. That's a paper loss. A paper loss is called, in stocks, we call that an unrealized loss. An unrealized loss is a loss that you haven't truly felt yet. It just says that in your portfolio, just on paper. It might feel bad, it might hurt looking at it, but it's not really a loss until you sell, because you still own the same amount of tokens. And as long as you own the same amount of tokens, once the price recovers, you'll be back to where you were. And if you were a smart investor, like smart money, you would buy the dip to dollar cost average to get a better, price. And then you would, continue to, break even or be even more profitable once the prices return to normal. So this is just, a quick live stream that I wanted y'all to see. We got over 104 people in the stream right now. Get those likes up. Shout out to Things Forgotten. If you, for the super chat, I appreciate you. He said, hi, I think Boss Token is an unmatched chance for life-changing gains because Zero Waiting has staked his career and brand on it. it enables long-term hodl. Hey, I agree, man. Shout out to Zero Waiting, man. For y'all that don't know, Zero Waiting, just follow me back on Twitter. Hey, appreciate you, bro. Shout out to you, man. Hopefully we can get a collab in the works soon. That would be dope, man. I have covered Boss Token on this channel. If y'all have not seen Boss Token, go check out my Boss Token video review. I definitely believe that project has potential. It's definitely showing some potential, man. Especially with Zero Waiting behind it, and like things Forgotten said, him putting his face and his brand on it. Connect the dots. That's a very good sign. So let me see. One Solidia says this is a real shakedown happening. If something wasn't up, all these ETH whales wouldn't be dropping millions into Shiba. Connect the dots. That's exactly what I'm trying to tell y'all. It might look bad on the surface, but you have to look a little deeper and see what the big whales are really doing. Why? Yes, they show some false articles shows like more whales are selling off, but the whales that are holding are buying more sheep. They're buying millions and millions and millions of more sheep. So we don't know if those were fake whales, that were holding other tokens. They're dropping the sheep from one wallet and just buying it up in another wallet. Y'all do not be tricked out of y'all spots, please. I want y'all to have the opportunity to get rich as well. Now, if you invested more than you're willing to lose, I'm not talking to you because I don't know what to do with you. Y'all don't listen. Y'all just be doing anything. But if you were smart and you did not risk more than you're willing to lose in this token, this coin, Shiba Inu, then hold long term. I truly believe everything will be okay. This is just the process. This is what happened. That's why I say none of y'all would have made it with Dogecoin. All y'all that be crying, y'all would have never stood a chance to, because by 3 months in, y'all would have been crying like Dogecoin is failing. I'm down. By a year in, if Dogecoin was still down, y'all would have been really crying. 2 years in, still down, y'all would have been devastated. 3 years in, y'all would have, I don't even know what to say, but it took, 5+ years for Dogecoin to do what it did. Shiba Inu is not going to take that long if you ask me. So if let's say we even took half the time, how many of y'all could hold for 2.5 years to potentially become a millionaire? I want to know that. Drop that in the comment section. Drop that in the comment section right now. How many of y'all would hold if it took 2.5 years, but you would become a millionaire after if you held? How many of y'all will hold? Salute to everybody, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Shout out to Young Toronto pulling up in the building. Shout out to RC. Said excited for Ryoshi Vision. Where the Ryoshi Vision community at, man? Tell them to pull up on us, man. Let's see if Ryoshi Vision is still rocking with us. So Corey Moreland said $40 auto buy on SHIB bi-weekly for the long run, 2 months in, and extra cash I have after I buy the dips. See, that's smart to dollar cost average into it, to not just FOMO your entire nest egg into it, because you might see a dip. You want to save a piece. Let's say you have $1,000 that you wanted to invest into this project overall. You should put, you might enter with, on a dip, on a nice sale day, 10%, 15% off, you might put in 200 of that 1,000. You might hold, you might be up and down. You could either invest bi-weekly, like Corey said, or you can just say, the next dip I see that's over 15%, I'll buy that one as well. And that way you keep getting tokens for a cheap price. And then once prices flip and return to normal, man, your pockets, your wallet gonna be fat. I'm trying to tell you. So salute to everybody. So Joshua said he would hold. Corey said he would. Raider said he would. Samuel said he would. Harlan dropped them diamonds. J. Pezzoa. Zoa said hold. Parker said right here. Things Forgotten said hodl. Robinson Lance said I'm holding. Harlan said I haven't sold a single coin. Brother Soul said hodl gang. Lost and Found with Jeff said I'm willing to wait more knowing I'll be financially free in the future. That's what I'm saying, man. Some of y'all prefer to take 1 piece of candy over 2 pieces of candy. And you know what I'm saying? That's like, it was like a experiment they did with kids, and a lot of kids, couldn't understand the concept of waiting to get that 2 pieces of candy versus the 1 piece of candy right now. Some of y'all won't make it to 2 pieces of candy. I'm telling you. I believe y'all that are subscribed to the channel, y'all that are rocking with me, y'all will, because y'all have me along the journey, especially when y'all got questions, or maybe something crazy might happen in the market. Regulation might come to the market, something super reckless that might, cause a lot of uncertainty. But, having to go with y'all, to, walk y'all through this, might provide a little more confidence, because investing is tricky. Investing can be scary, especially when you got your hard-earned money on the line. Trust me, I know, I was there. But after I started making, 6 figures, things like that, you start to understand what's going on. You can start to recognize the patterns. Kai Pittman said, man, this is hard, but I'm gonna keep stacking them up. Hey, I feel you, man. And you can be real. I'm not saying it's not supposed to be hard. I'm not saying you can't feel those emotions, but this is thing. It's called trader psychology, investor psychology. You don't want to have panic in you. If you feel panic, go do something else. Do something to take your mind off of it. Because if you stay panicking, you're gonna end up doing something you're gonna regret later. So go do something to take your mind off of it. If your portfolio is down, don't look at it for a week. If you got to, don't look at it for a month. Leave it. Why do you have to look at it every day? You don't have to. If something that crazy is happening, we hit, to a number where you'll be a millionaire, trust me, you'll hear about it. You won't have to go check your portfolio. You know what I'm saying? So just stay down for the come up. So yeah, shout out to Brother Soul. He said, I want to cop one of those beanies, man. Hey, I highly recommend you do, man. Let me drop the link to the merch store. The merch store is available right now. You know what I'm saying? You can go grab some stuff. I'm dropping that link for you right there in the comment section. If y'all want to cop some Shiba Inu merch, I got the hoodies, the duffel bags, the coffee mugs. Y'all know I bought everything. If y'all been rocking with my channel, y'all done seen me Shiba Inu down to the floor. Y'all know I got everything. But if y'all want to rock, you know what I'm saying, make sure y'all go tap in. High quality stuff too. It's not this the cheap fleet mall stuff either. So Phil said hodl, like he said, patience is key. Killer said 250 million and adding to my position. JJ said, I remember you saying that back in May, and I've been doing just that with all my crypto. Shout out to JJ. He said he's been rocking with me since May. Zeke said, you don't miss out on Banker Doge for real. Appreciate you, brother. Tell the Banker Doge community to pull up on me. If it's just you representing the entire Banker Doge community, it's no disrespect or no, nothing to you, bro. But these projects are community driven. It's going to take more than one person to put the whole project on his back. If you can't get the entire community to pull up, and this is rare for a YouTuber with influence, with real influence that can, actually bring investors to a project. It's rare for a YouTuber on this level to say, tell your community to pull up. Y'all seen Toy Doge pulled up. So I'll be doing a review on Toy Doge because the whole community pulled up. You telling me Banker Doge, I'm seeing just one person from the community representing. That tell me it ain't got too good of a chance. Because I'll tell y'all right now, if there's no community, your project is toast. And I want it to sound harsh because it is. Your project is toast. If there's no community, it's toast. Won't last. So keep that in mind. You better tell the community to pull up if you want the review on it, man. We got shout out to everybody for the support. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, man. Shout out to Adam Olsen for pulling up. Appreciate you, man. Shout out to Joseph for pulling up. Shout out to Bugatti Sheep for pulling up. Appreciate y'all, man. Let's see. Solidius said 500 million backing up the truck if it hits below 6500. So I definitely believe we'll see those 5 levels again. I think the low 6s is another good point to pull the trigger as well, because I like y'all to get the best buying opportunity. And don't ever think because it's the price hits one level and it starts to move up, it'll go back. You know what I'm saying? You'll get another chance to buy it. Let the chart come to you. Let the candlestick move to you. Let your position come to you. Don't chase. If you chase, you're going to get wrecked. Never, ever chase. Always let it come to you. No matter what price, as long as you say, I want to buy at this price, then you're doing good because now you're buying when you want to. I would say look for the 5s. Look for the very low 6s, or as soon as it touches that 5 range, I would be sniping it. That's what I would be doing because I like to look for the best entry. That's what I want. So we just broke over this hour range, man. We're going to wrap this one up, man. I appreciate y'all for pulling up on me, man. That's all we got for this, man. Y'all some real ones. Y'all that pulled up, y'all about to be making history with me. Stay down for the come up. Make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all have your notifications on. I will be shouting y'all out. Hey, Harlan, tap in with me. Send me a DM on Twitter. to get for more information, you can claim your prize. Appreciate you. Also, shout out to y'all that dropped those super chats. Y'all some real ones. I appreciate y'all as well. Tell a friend to tell a friend about the channel, man. We about to go up, man. If y'all definitely want to see that reveal video, tap in with me. Shout out to all the OGs to the channel and all the future millionaires, all y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. So yeah, that's all we got, man.